Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Siemens ISensoric Eco Champion. Let's try and find a number on it. There will be one somewhere. E number WT47 W583/01 FD 9503. Is that 2019? No, 2009. 201049. That'll mean something to somebody. I wanted to have a look at this because I wanted to see what was down in the condenser unit, which is an important thing to clean on tumble dryers. This is a condenser, ISensoric. It has every kind of gimmick going about it. It's basically a Bosch tumble dryer. Not much more different. It seems to have a glass door, which is quite rare on a tumble dryer. I'm sure this wasn't cheap. Self-cleaning condenser. Well, self-cleaning, eh? Can we get in here? I don't know if we can. Let's see what we need to do. Just trying to pop it by pushing it. No. I don't believe such a thing has a self-cleaning condenser, so I would like to see it. So I can't figure out how to get that cover off, and it says self-cleaning. So that's filter number one. If you were going in there, and there's a second filter. Let's see what we can see in here. So there's definitely dust in there. Get my hand in. Oh, it's got some kind of a mesh. It's got crumbs in it. It's got some kind of a mesh. Let's see if I swizz this down. That looks a lot like a heat pump condenser. You can't really see great on there, but I can see it's pretty clean. If I reach my hand in here, can I pop this off from the inside? No, I can't. So that is a sealed unit. I'm reaching down trying to push out the front, and it won't come out. So it is a sealed unit, and we saw what was in there. Bit of dust. Let's go in one more time. So you've got metal fins. It looks a lot like a heat. So you've got metal fins in there, and it looks a lot like a heat pump, but I don't know anything about that. So bit of a strange one. Normally I would like to have an inspection and clean things out, but on this one it doesn't seem possible. EcoChampionExtraClasse ISensoric Siemens WT47 W583/01. Tricky. If you know anything more about this, let me know down in the comments below. It's very like a Bosch hinge, Bosch everything. A couple of extra Siemens-y details. Probably cost more as a Siemens. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.